Doctor, I have a question. Yes. What is that little sperm tail that was there? Did you get a new car?
Yeah.
I was like, this looks different.
Ready?
Yeah.
What's the clue?
On the road again! It says, 4 eyes are better than 2. Gee, I wonder what that is.
I'm getting glasses! Do you need glasses?
No, I didn't know you needed glasses.
Oh, so it's just me getting glasses. You're just here for moral support?
Yeah.
I feel like that happens a lot. I just haven't gotten my eyes checked in a long time.
Girl.
And it's not like I'm blind. Excuse me.
You see that car right there?
Yes, it's like if it's, I would say the big problem times would be like if it's raining and at night, then I can't really see that much. Like I can't see like traffic signs.
What?
So that's why I get everything delivered and I never leave my house.
Remind me not to drive with you at night ever.
After you.
Thank you, my lady. Hello.
Hi.
Hello there.
Welcome to Beverly Hills Institute of Optometry. Lily, right?
Yes, hello.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
I'm Drew.
Hi, Drew. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
So
you.
I do see here you have an eyeglass appointment. If you want to go head on in, the doctor's actually waiting for you.
Oh my God.
Perfect, I can't wait to see.
Lily.
Hello there.
Hi, how's it going? I'm Dr. Slani.
Lily, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Like
you as
your
well.
lab coat. I'm Drew.
Nice to meet you, Drew.
What are we
Amazing.
doing?
So we'll start with this one. So if you want to grab a seat.
Oh my God, we're stuck. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We're beginning.
So if you want to come on in, chin here.
It looks like it's going to hypnotize me. Oh, there's a hot air balloon in there.
Ew.
So
What do you mean, ew?
Ew. I'm looking at your eyeball, Lily.
So that's it. Your target, the hot air balloon. Stay right there. Blink if you need to, and enjoy the lights.
Enjoy the lights.
Oh my God. This is how every episode of Black Mirror starts. Are those little circles actually inside her eye right now?
It's on the surface of your eye.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Keep looking straight.
What
Blink
is
if you
going
need to.
on? Oh my God.
It's gonna blow a little bit of air in.
Oh.
There it is. Take it like a champ. And halfway through, let's see to the left side.
Oh my God, it's so fast.
So it's really cool. It's doing 7 different tests in about a minute. And a second ago, it checked the right eye. Now it's checking the left eye. And it tells us where we are in the system. So right now it's measuring the prescription. Now it's measuring the thickness of the front of the eye.
This one's great. When the lights are like,
Can you see her memories?
this is not actually Black Mirror, Drew.
So this is really cool. So what we're looking at is the front half of the right eye, front half of the left eye. Your corneal results for the right and left eye look normal and healthy. So this is how she sees. So not too bad, but let me show you a glimpse
Wait,
into
so you don't even, I don't even have to like read off like a thing for you?
This
It just tells
streamlines
you?
that whole process. So if because the person interpreting the image, we still do the 1 or 2 tests. But yeah, this basically does most of the work for us. So this is essentially what she's supposed to see the world like. So like a point of light, but without the glasses, she sees like that. So lights are spread out.
That makes a lot of sense for driving at night.
All right, come on in. So this one's gonna measure the prescription now. The red roof house may come in and out of focus. Blink if you need to.
It's a very, very red roof. This one seems more green. Can my eyes see different colors? Is that a thing?
She's colorblind?
Doing great, hang in there.
It's like he's not answering any of these questions.
All right, perfect, and that's it. That one's easy. Slide over to the
How
last
does
one.
it know?
So what it does is it's actually shining about 1,000 points of light to the back of the eye. All the layers between the cornea and the retina are clear. And then using optics, it determines what the prescription is with pretty close precision.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Hey, Lily.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on in there?
He's just flashing lights and making me more blind than I already am.
And you can sit
Woo!
back.
Look at that.
All right, so we're all done here. We're gonna head into the next examiner.
Perfect.
Let's do it.
Further along
So
on the journey.
easy. Futuristic.
So this one's gonna look for any kind of dryness on the eye. So come on in, looking straight ahead. Here comes a bright white light.
So close to your eyeball. I used to ask my mom all the time if I could touch her eyeball. She always said no.
So weird. Why?
I was just curious what it felt like. I want to touch my own.
Squishy.
Don't you? If you get really, really close, you can see, aren't there like little like things like
Yeah,
knitting
so
things?
some
There's a little-
patients have little mites growing in their
Oh,
eyelids.
mites,
So that's
I
why
like
it's so
that
important
word.
to take good care of your eyelashes and eyelids.
What does that mean? Yeah, how does one take good care of them? Take your
So-
makeup off?
You know if you have mites.
Just like we wash our face, right, and wash our hair, same thing you want to be able to wash. There's eyelid hygiene, just like there's dental hygiene. So we can go over different techniques in terms of taking care of your eyelids.
Okay.
This one also
Ooh!
looks at your oil glands. So these oil glands help keep the eyes lubricated. So over time they can be damaged. So we want to be able to preserve and take good care of them. So we'll talk about what we can do. You're on a scale of 0 to 3, you're in the 1 to 2 range, so we want to try to keep them healthy, so that way your eyes stay nice, white, beautiful, and camera ready. So this is the last step before we go ahead and look at glasses.
Perfect. Oh, now I have to tell you what I can see.
So we're gonna check one eye at a time. So in the monitor, if you can tell me which lens is sharper. This is option 1 or option 2.
2 for sure. Here I can see your face and you're like, huh?
You look like you're wearing Lady Gaga glasses.
We do share a birthday.
There you go.
The top line of letters, can you read them for me?
OHVDX.
So I have a confession. When I was in 3rd grade,
I don't know how to read, so how do I get that?
when I was in 3rd grade, I really wanted glasses because everybody had glasses.
You lied?
And so I went to the optometrist and I lied on this thing. I was like, VDLT. I lied. And then I got glasses and I couldn't see anything.
Oh no.
I was like, why did I should have just lied on like one of the lines and I lied on way too many lines.
Drew just has a headache for the rest of her life. Some more reading than I've done in a while.
So what made you want to become an eye doctor?
Yeah.
My family's actually been in eye care for over 50 years.
Do you wear glasses?
I got sucked into that world.
Cool.
I do, yeah. I wear glasses and contacts. So I wear glasses. You are nearsighted. So there's 3 categories for patients who have glasses: nearsighted, farsighted, and astigmatism. I'm in that 3rd category, astigmatism, which means I can kind of get. That's oscillating, so that's called nystagmus. It's a little different. That's when you're drinking too much.
I don't know what that's like.
So,
My eyebrows.
Somebody who,
What is that?
And somebody who has perfect vision, it's kind of like an arrow hitting the bullseye.
So true.
And somebody who is nearsighted, the light undershoots the bullseye. So basically, when we give you glasses, we go from the purple to the black. So you see 20/20.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yes.
What is that little sperm tail that was
This is sperm. No, this is the optic nerve leading back to the brain. Yeah.
Oh.
Doctor, did I pass?
Pass with flying colors.
Hey.
But your right eye is 20/30, your left eye is 20/25. With glasses, will get you to 20/20, so that means you're nearsighted.
Perfect.
Wait, if you're nearsighted, isn't it opposite? So does that mean you can see better up close or further away?
It means you can see near. You're
And
nearsighted.
you can't see further.
Correct.
Okay, so it's not opposite.
I was just going off what I can see.
I feel like that's what it means.
Time to get glasses.
We're all set, let's do it.
Holy glasses.
Good
Hello there.
evening, how are you?
Hi.
I'm Ashley.
Lily, nice to meet you.
Drew. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What can I help you ladies with?
I guess I need some frames.
Okay.
Didn't realize there would be this many options.
Yes, we definitely have
What
a
do you
lot for
mean?
sure. So let me pull out a couple for you.
Okay.
Would you like larger, smaller?
I think larger. I like the clear kind.
Okay, so let's
Oh,
pull out
actually,
some
those ones are cute. Ooh.
Ooh, I like those.
I like. I feel like I'm gonna like all of them. Jill, how many do I get?
So this is a little more rounded, more of a vintage feel to that one.
Ooh, I really like these.
So I like the fit of this one better than the other one.
I like these more already. So we're making progress, I guess.
I feel like this is like a wedding dress trying on situation where like whatever
You're
you
gonna
like.
cry.
No, I'm gonna cry and whatever you like, I have to like because it's like it's your face, you know?
No, I would like your honest opinion.
I like it. It looks good.
Drew stamp of approval.
Yeah, mm-hmm.
You know the serial killer type
Yes.
glasses. Do you think those will still be trendy in like a year?
Oh my god, dude, those have been trendy for like 30 years. Yeah. Yeah.
I feel like it's been a recent trend.
No, it's the Club Master.
Okay, if you guys say so. I guess we'll try those two.
So I do have a style like that. That would be something like this.
Are those the serial killer ones?
I
thought
feel like
you
these.
meant,
I don't look like I'm about to go kill someone. I feel like this looks more like I'm
hipstery.
going to the library, which is very off-brand. So,
So
maybe
you
we
want
should
something like that, but more trendy. There's this one here.
I feel like I am my mom.
Really?
Very like retro.
Yeah, so this is
Yeah.
definitely retro with that dramatic cat eye.
Rarely do I use the word retro and vintage in the right scenario.
It
So
just
I'm glad
came
I
out.
nailed that. I feel like I need like Polaroids of each one to then compare
Right.
it to. I like all of them.
She'll eat your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Woo!
I was like, where are you going with this? This is a problem because I really like all of them. I don't.
They all look
I
good
know.
so
Like, how
far.
am I gonna decide? This is literally worse than Cheesecake Factory.
These match your hair at the moment.
Well, yeah, that's that'll change in a month.
They all look good.
I don't know what to do. How do people pick?
Wait, look at me. I like the other ones better. But again, it's your day.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of this one.
I like these. I feel like this would be like the most like everyday kind of
Yeah.
look. This would be like the hipster that I'm not.
How do you feel?
Cooler than I actually am.
What's it gonna be for?
I think I'm gonna go. I think I'll go with the clear ones.
You have like are really good at making decisions
That's a
because that
good
would take me
choice.
5 years.
Well, we're filming it. I feel like we can't film for that.
Are you saying yes to the dress?
Well, yes to the glasses.
I like it.
But I can't see still out of these because there's no prescription.
Right.
Yes. So I already got your prescription from Dr. Solani.
Awesome.
So I'll definitely go ahead and fill them for you, and they'll be ready tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
they're
so
ready.
fast.
God,
Little
you're gonna
elves.
see.
Okay.
Perfect.
Here we go.
That's
That's
nice
it.
meeting you, ladies.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much.
That's it.
Like an eye fairy.
I know.
This is great.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm sad that I don't have them right now, but I guess tonight
know.
is a very quick turnaround.
That's really quick.
Yeah.
Oh my God, are you excited to be able to see now?
Yes. Like, what if we got into a car?
Lily!
It's not funny. It's not funny. I can see everyone. Just so you know, I can see. I hope that was an entertaining episode because I
think
thought it
so.
was entertaining.
I was entertained.
You know, let us know what other appointments that we should go to that have been updated in the last 10 years.
Badge exam.
Oh my God. Okay, bye guys. Subscribe, please. Thank you.
For more clever style in your life, click that box over on the left to see us take on Galentine's Day on Beauty Break, or click that box over on the right to LOL as we try face yoga.